Hello, trading is closed on April 10th, 2018. The last call made when the markets were down here was that we had a target of 26.4857. That number is a target and the resistance support level, and the number printed and worked. Looked for a pattern with an early low and a late high. We said if we gapped over this consolidation, we should have an all-day rally. Well, it was an all-day rally, but it didn't really accomplish anything. Rallied all day, and after gapping up, hitting a new high, couldn't hold on to any of those highs. Unless we gap over these highs, it's a negative pattern. What's more negative is this rally occurred in response to the news announcement about China. The rule for news announcements is the responses get reversed quickly and completely. We also have a hole in the wall gap. Not every time, but the vast majority of times, this fills quickly, usually by tomorrow or Thursday morning. We undercut this low and find support at that level. So unless we gap up, we're looking for a move down under this level. MEJT signals are already printed and they already worked. The general idea is we had 5 waves down. It's now possible to count 3 waves up with a Fibonacci relationship. If that's right, it doesn't mean it has to end here, but it certainly could. And if that's right, we're either wave 3 down or wave C. Here's your nice Fibonacci relationships right at this high. If this counts correct, we're going to drop to 24.61. Probably won't take a heck of a lot of time. Let's remember we have a buy signal, and when these things fail, they fail in grand style. So far, it's been 6 days since the signal. We can't break through the old TDST line. If we drop and undercut these lows, and particularly once this falls, it should be a very short trip down to 24.61. Absent gapping up and promptly taking out this high, it isn't impossible, even though the pattern has an early low. Absent that happening, we look for a sizable drop tomorrow, undercutting this price by early Thursday morning. And that's today's call.